Don't force relationships you don't feel good about. Just don't do it. It's not worth it. What's up, my good bad DJ crew? You know how we do here on Disc Jockey News. I just got this question in my inbox. I had to just answer it real quick because I already knew the answer, and it reminded me of my friend Mark Grimace. I'll tell you why in a second. But the question is, how do you make good with people you don't feel great about? Sometimes I feel like I'm forcing relationships just to get bookings. Been there, done that, and let me tell you, it's really not worth it. I'll give you an example. My buddy Mark Grimace, I contacted him a couple years ago because I just needed an outside perspective. I was getting asked to play a booking that I just didn't feel good about. My gut was like, don't do it. And I told him the situation, and he said, ask yourself, is the juice worth the squeeze? Is the money going to be so amazing, or are you going to have a great time? Like, is it really worth doing this DJ gig? And right off the hop, I was like, well, no, of course not. Like, I felt sick to my stomach. I imagined myself saying yes and wanted to throw up. I imagined myself saying no, and I felt relieved. So the answer was absolutely not. It was not worth it. And sometimes we say yes to DJ gigs because we feel like, oh, it's going to be like this big, amazing thing for our career. And I mean, there were very far and few in between DJ gigs that are going to propel your career that much. And again, it just wasn't worth the way I was feeling about it. So I would ask yourself, think about these famous celebrities and music artists that refuse to work with certain people or brands because they just don't feel good about it in the long run. I mean, if you already know that something is super shady and wrong and you don't feel good about like a product, even like a sponsor, and you say yes to it, in the long run, there's going to be some crazy lawsuit against them, and you're going to be like, well, I wish I never worked for them. I wish I trusted my gut because I knew something was up. So I just feel like, and even like this time in my career, I've never been so clear in knowing that I would always rather work with people I believe in, that believe in me, that, there's that mutual respect. I only want to get booked by people that are like, hey, yeah, you're freaking talented and you're perfect for what I've got going on for this event, corporate or club or whatever it is. I would never want somebody to book me because somebody like forced their hand to do it, like some higher up. I want to feel like there is mutual respect going on there. And it would be the same if I booked somebody else. I would not book them just because I thought I would get something super cool out of it. Like, I want to book people because I believe in them, because what they're doing inspires me. I hope that resonates with you. I hope that says something to you. And let us know how it goes. Let us know what you decide to do, and how you felt about that decision after. For the rest of y'all that have asked Kilma questions, make sure you send them in. You can email me if you'd like to stay anonymous, beats@kilmamusic.com. You can hashtag or @KilmaMusic, and I will hit you up.